I now going to pull down fire alarm. So, that's the way I can avoid taking a math test from Miss Christina's class, ha 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 ha.
Dora, what are you doing here?
Do you see that I was going to pull the fire alarm because I have a hard math test in Miss Christina's class and I want to avoid to take a math test?
Well, Dora, do you realize that what you're going to do is actually a crime? Pulling fire alarm could charge you in jail time. I'm now going to take you to the principal's office. So, you can get suspended from this school.
Oh no, I have to get out of here.
Hey, come back here. You're not going anywhere.
No 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 no. Please, don't take me to the principal's office. So, I won't do it ever again.
Hello Caillou, what brings you here in my office along with Dora?
Well, Miss Clementine, when I tell you that Dora was trying to pull the fire alarms in all over this school, so that way she can avoid taking a math test. But I stopped her from doing it.
Oh my freaking god, thanks for telling me, Caillou. I will deal with her. Now you can go. Now Dora, you don't ever pull the fire alarm when there is no fire because it's against the law for putting the fire alarm. The fire alarm is only done when there is a real fire and when earthquake arrives in this area. That's it. You're going to be suspended for 2 weeks and I'm going to call your parents about this. Hello Cole and Elena, it's Miss Clementine. Dora did tried to pull the fire alarm. Can you two please pick her up and ground her? Thank you and have a nice day.
Dora, let's go home right now. You're now in big trouble.
Caillou, you did an awesome job for stopping Dora from the fire alarm because you know that pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire is illegal.
Your mother is right, Caillou. You're now ungrounded for life. You could do whatever you want.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I'm now going to Dave and Buster's again.
Oh, Dora, how dare you try to pull fire alarm at school? You know that's against the law. That's it, you're grounded for 67,435 days. Go to your room now.
What?